Choose the correct solution for the matrix subtraction problem. Both the matrices are 2 by 2, so they can be added. And the answer is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. The first entry for the answer is going to be 3 minus 4.4. And that's a negative 1.4. And if you weren't comfortable with the mental math, you could always do 4.4 and then minus 3.0. And you would get 4 here, a 1 here, and a decimal point. And because the 4.4 is larger and negative, the answer is going to be a negative, so it's negative 1.4. The next entry, negative 2.4 minus negative 5.6. That's the same thing as negative 2.4 plus 5.6. To do this problem, you can just subtract the 2.4 from the 5.6 here. You get 2, and then a point, and then 3. So your next entry is going to be 3.2. And there's the ending bracket for the matrix. Next entry, 1.1 minus 3.7. Well, I'm going to do 3.7 minus 1.1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2, so it's 2.6. But looking at the numbers, you can see the 3.7 is negative, the 1.1 is positive. Since the 3.7 is a larger number, then this 2.6 is going to be negative also. Negative 1.8 minus 1.8. Well, that's the same thing as negative 1.8 times 2. So I'm going to do that. 8 times 2 is 16, carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Bring down the decimal point. There's one decimal place here, so it's just the 1 over. And then it's going to be negative because you did negative 1.8 times positive 2. So your final entry here is negative 3.6.